Hi guys, this is Tushar Ramnan from 99 Workouts back at you. As you know that guests have been flooding in one by one, and 99 Workouts is all about special people. Why are these people so special? These people are all around you in Pune, Mumbai, wherever you might be meeting them, very familiar faces. But do you know their inside story? If you don't know, now's the time to introduce you to the next guest, who is someone from Pune, has little bit or lot of inside story. So let's find out today who's our special guest. And we are at this beautiful place in Ishania Mall. I had to catch this guy somehow. And please welcome Mr. Kevin Phillip, my very good friend.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much to come in a short notice. And
No, I always appreciate you. Whenever I call you up, you're always there for me. So, sir, I'm honored.
He's so humble, trust me. Guys, he's just a phone call away. So Kevin, tell me something. You're known as a talking machine.
Right.
Now, what is this talking machine?
Okay, so the thing is, when I do a lot of my events, public events and stuff, etc., I by default introduce myself as Gavin.
Okay.
But it is very difficult for the people around in the audience to recollect the name Gavin.
Okay.
So what I thought of was, me and my team, we said let's come up with an easy name. So we came up as the talking machine. It's such a name that people can't forget and they always keep it in their mind. It's easy. It's something new. Because you don't see a person with the name as the talking machine.
Oh, wow. That's very good. Well, Gavin ji karte kya hai? Basically, he's into entertainment industry and he's a professional anchor. He hosts a lot of shows. His specialty is also fitness shows. Mind you, it's a very different genre to host entertainment shows and fitness shows. Until unless you don't have passions for fitness, it's not easy because you need to study a lot. You need to know the background of people who are involved in the fitness industry, which is getting organized now. So let's find out from Gavin, how does he prepare himself for anchoring such big show. So Gavin, आपने अभी एकदम काफी साल से मैं आपको देख रहा हूँ, like, you're hosting big Olympia shows which are coming to India,
Right.
and a lot of fitness shows.
Right.
How did you land up? Like, is there a passion behind it, or
So
how did you land
there's
up?
always been a craze of fitness.
Right.
I've had it in me, but not totally into it.
Right.
I enjoy doing my shows, my corporates, my concerts, my public events. It's totally fun. But doing something that you're passionate about is something else.
Right.
And many years back, I think 3 or 4 or 5 years back, I done an event in Pune for Sheru Classic.
Okay.
And I had no idea much about Sheru Classic. No idea.
Okay.
But as time flew, I got to know more about it. I got to know about the athletes that India has, and through good luck and through your wishes, in the year 2017, I got a chance to host Olympia in India, which was like a dream come true. Standing on stage with international athletes which I never thought of, because these are the athletes I watch, and so many people follow them on Instagram, on social media. But getting a chance to meet them in person, interacting with them, is a total new experience. Now, how do I work before? How do I plan my stuff? Now, when I know there's an event happening and I know the athletes that are coming on board, I may or may not know the athletes. My homework is I go back home, I research who are the athletes coming, what are their achievements. So when I interact with them, I should know who they are and what they are. And the best part is the achievements that they have. Because whoever is coming and standing at the Olympia stage in India is a very big, it's I think the biggest platform in the world. The Olympia is one of the biggest platforms in the world. And Olympia India has tremendous athletes coming to compete.
Right.
And knowing how humble, how cool, how hard-working our Indians are, getting to see them on the stage and their hard work actually paying off, them winning a pro card is something amazing. Getting to see victory on a stage, getting to see an Indian athlete winning the pro card and having the Indian flag behind them, the national anthem playing, is really a wow experience altogether.
Of course, being an athlete, I can connect with the sentiment so much.
Absolutely.
Kevin, हमें कुछ सूत्रों से पता चला है कि आपको बाइक्स का बहुत शौक है.
Oh.
ये इसके बारे में कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
Bikes and fitness, two things I'm crazy about. I don't mean to put it in any way. And when it comes to bikes, I'm a little selfish.
Okay.
So I own a 1980 Royal Enfield.
Oh wow.
Pretty old. So I said I want to enjoy it myself.
Right.
Okay, I said no girlfriend sitting behind me, no one sitting behind me. So I've made a single seat. So I love cruising alone.
Okay.
There is some things in life that you love to do alone. Everybody has something,
yes.
and it's fun doing it alone.
Right.
It's not like you don't want to take your girlfriend with you or your wife with you. It's like I like to do it alone sometimes.
Right, right.
So it's fun. So bike something I'm passionate about. I'm a part of the India Superbike Festival. I mean, I'll be going for Ridermania and the India Bike Week again this year. So pretty excited. Bikes and fitness, two things, they go hand in hand, and it's really, really, really amazing.
जैसे गेविन जी बता रहे हैं उनको बाइक्स का बहुत शौक है, फिटनेस का बहुत शौक है. क्या आप आर यू इन्वॉल्वड इन कॉम्पिटिटिव काइंड ऑफ बाइक राइडिंग और लाइक रेसिंग और समथिंग
No,
और जस्ट पैशनेट?
No, I'm just passionate about riding.
Okay.
See, racing is really cool
Yeah.
if you learn the art of racing,
राइट.
but it's risky. But
Right.
it's fun.
Right.
I love cruising. I like going to places, riding to places,
Right.
because the journey that you have of riding to places is a lot of fun. It's a lot of
Right.
thrill.
Right.
Like recently, I had gone to this place called Dandeli,
Okay.
which is around exactly 500 kilometers from Pune. The journey was amazing. The stops that we had, the food. So you're going through different states that you
Right.
pass through,
Right.
and the entire thing is you meet people who are different thinking. When you go to a resort, when there are bikers who come from different cities, you get to gel, you get to meet people.
Right.
Now my main concept of going for Ridermania in India Bike Week is to meet riders who are coming from not just from Mumbai and Pune and who are in from Goa. We got riders riding in from Delhi. We got people from Chandigarh, people from Kanyakumari riding in down. So in short, we get to meet the entire biking fraternity under one roof.
Right.
As we have in Mumbai at the IHFF, when we meet athletes, we've got fitness enthusiasts from all over the country coming under one roof. So that's what happens at IBW and Ridermania. We have bikers from all over the country coming down. We get to interact, get to meet, they get to share their experiences, you get to share your experiences, and it's fun.
Right.
It's like a community.
True. So Kevin, 99 workouts is basically about how people find time. Like all my guests find time to work out. As you say that you're passionate about your workout, you're somewhere involved in the fitness industry.
Right.
So how much time do you get for your workout? How do you take out time?
So normally when I do shows, I make sure I work around 10-12 days a month,
Okay.
because I need time for myself.
Right.
My concept is if you're going to earn money, you need to utilize that money, you need to spend that money, you need to have to remove time for yourself.
Right.
So I make it a point to remove time at least 3 days a week, where I do I get into very heavy lifting.
Right.
I'm actually planning to get into competitive powerlifting next year. So I want to compete for powerlifting. So my workout is pretty heavy. I work out for around 3.5 hours thrice a week, but I make it a point I do it, and the remaining 3 days I do 1.5 hour of cardio. I make it a point.
अभी आपने सुना गेविन जी का बाइकिंग का शौक है, ये तो प्रोफेशनल एंकर हैं ही, इनको फिटनेस का बड़ा शौक है और अभी ये खुद भी पावर लिफ्टिंग में इन्वॉल्व होना चाहते हैं. हाउ डू यू सी द फ्यूचर ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस, लाइक बिकॉज यू आर इन्वॉल्व इन ऑल दिस शोज और थिंग्स लाइक दैट? Do you see a lot of people are coming into health and fitness now, like taking part competitively?
So what used to happen, I think what I've known is couple of years back when I just got introduced to something called a gym,
Right.
people used to come, work out and go back home.
Right.
It's very simple. Now every second person who joins, comes to a gym, starts working for a month, gets so influenced as if they want to be an athlete or get into powerlifting, because you come to know your true strengths where you are. You come to know your body structure, your body type, that point of time.
Right.
If you know that you can lift weight, and if you're trained very well, you would want to get into powerlifting.
Yes. Yes.
If you have good genetics and if you're trained well with the right nutrition,
Right.
you can get into competing as a men's physique athlete or bodybuilding or classic bodybuilding, etc.
Right.
So it all depends as to what. And now I think the athletes that you have in every segment are increasing drastically,
Right.
because people are interested in competing.
Right.
The thing is, what I'm really concerned about is everybody wants to reach a mark where they end up getting a gold medal. That is really cool. But the process should be nice and slow and should be taken advice from a professional.
Right.
Because you go to a gym, every second trainer you meet thinks that they are professionals and they share wrong advice with the members. You take, instead of sharing supplements, they end up saying you take these kind of injections,
Right.
which is spoiling the health of members.
Right.
If I don't know anything about fitness and a trainer tells me you take this injection, you'll end up getting so much of muscles, I will say, wow, this is superb, and I will want to do it.
Right.
But the side effects, the problems that you're going to face, only you will realize, that guy will not realize it.
True.
He's selling you the product for the money.
True.
So my concern is when you want to do something or you want to achieve something, do it with full knowledge and then achieve it. Don't do it for standing on stage for the 10-15 minutes, and then you look amazing outside, and your organs start giving you a problem later on, which shouldn't be a problem.
तो आप लोगों ने सुना जो मैं बोलता आया हूँ 99 वर्कआउट्स पे, डेविन जी भी वही बोल रहे हैं कि आपको प्रोफेशनल एडवाइस की बहुत ज़रूरत है, प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनर्स की ज़रूरत है, कुछ भी करे, कुछ भी किसी टाइप का एक्सरसाइज या सप्लीमेंटेशन या किसी तरह का आप इफ यू वांट टू गेट इन्वॉल्व इन एनी काइंड ऑफ डाइट और एनीथिंग, ऑलवेज कंसल्ट प्रोफेशनल्स, टेक गाइडेंस फ्रॉम देम. एंड Gavin, tell me something, what is your message for people who are still thinking that we'll start on a Monday or New Year will come? So what do you want to advise them? What do you want to tell them?
Honestly, there is no New Year, there is no Monday. Monday never comes. New Year never comes. If you want to do it right now, or else you will never do it. I have seen people who are so obese. I have nothing against people who are obese, but I've seen people who are so obese who still don't accept the fact that they have to work out or to take an initiative.
Right.
When you say you need to lose weight, doesn't mean you have to go to the gym and lift heavy weights.
I think
There are so many ways.
somewhere people are lacking motivation.
They know they need to be guided in the right path.
Right.
When any girl joins a gym, she thinks she's going to do heavy weights, she's going to bulk up like a man.
Right.
They need to remove these ideas from their head that a girl cannot bulk up like a man, however heavy weights they lift.
Right.
Everybody, the main thing is, like when I used to go to a gym before, every second person used to give me advice on what nutrition I should take, what to take.
Right.
And I was like, I don't want to listen to everybody giving me something else.
Right.
Someone is saying you consume chicken, someone is saying you consume pork, someone is saying you consume fish.
Right.
So I want to learn for myself what is the right nutrition, the science behind it.
Right.
So I spoke to Mr. Kezat Kapadia from K11 Fitness Academy and I joined the course.
Right.
So I'm a certified nutritionist. I learned for myself as to what the nutrition is. What is the story behind it?
Right.
So I know what to consume. So if someone asks me, I will tell you what to consume with a story behind it so you'll know what it means.
Exactly.
Trainer will give you a diet.
Right.
But why? No one answers you why.
Right.
Like, to be very honest, there's a guy on Facebook who says, I will give you nutrition, you will have body transformation in 90 days.
Wow.
I was curious. I said, chal, main milke dekhta, just for my curiosity. He sent me a nutrition. In the nutrition, if I want to lose weight, he says you have to drink Glucon-D during workout. I'm saying if I'm trying to lose weight, and if I'm on something called an intermittent diet where I'm not supposed to consume any calories for 16 hours, you are telling me to consume sugar during my workout of 16 hours? So there are a lot of people who will tell you stuff
Right.
with no connection whatsoever, and I should ask him how much calories am I supposed to consume during the day.
Right.
Seeing there's an app, you put your diet on the app, you will get the exact amount of calories.
Right.
So I want, if you are going to give me a diet, make sure if your trainer gives you a diet, you have your calorie count to it. You have your nutrition manual, everything.
Right.
You need to know how much protein, how much fat, how much carbs you are consuming.
Right.
The main.
Right.
There's no point having chicken and saying I have had my chicken. How much count, how much calories, that is more important.
Right. So guys, now you know why I had Kevin on this episode especially. You see the amount of interest, the zest, the aggression of talking out, inspiring people comes from the talking machine for sure. So thank you Kevin.
Thank you,
so
sir.
much.
It's been an honor.
एक बहुत special चीज है.
Yes.
हम दोनों का. When is your birthday?
9th August.
My birthday is also 9th of August. So 9 and 9 is 99.
99.
So keep watching 99 workouts.
Thank you and
Thank you.
enjoy the show. Thank you very
And
much.
yes, wait for our next guest because we're going to very soon have the star of the month. So keep watching 99 workouts.